In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Shut the Box 6 players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Shut the Box can be played with any number of players, though it is often more enjoyable with 2 to 4. So when you have a larger group like 6 players, you can use these standard rules with slight modifications for turns, or you can try a variation that's better suited for your particular group. So all players will have their own Shut the Box board with tiles numbered. So in this example here, or this board, 1 through 10. And all tiles are in the up position. So each player will roll a single die. The player with the highest roll goes first. After this is determined for everyone, so you play in a circle and then everyone is going to have their turn. So for example, this person is first, this person is second, this person is third, and so on. Or you can just assign these arbitrarily, however you prefer. You are ready to start. So the first player rolls 2 dice. So you roll 2 of these. They must flip down 1 or more tiles that add up to the total of the dice roll. So let's say, for example, they roll a 5 and a 3. They can choose to choose the tile 8, so they flip down only the tile number 8, or they can do 5 and 3. They can also do something like 5, 2, and 1, because all of these will also add up to 8. And it's down to the player to choose which tiles they would like to use. Another example would be 4, 3, and 1, and so on. Every tile that you can roll down will be determined by the sum of your dice. When a player's turn ends, they add up the numbers on their remaining up tiles. This is going to be their score for the round, so the lower the score, the better. Once a player turns ends, it passes to the next person in the circle and you repeat. They roll 2 dice, they add up the numbers on the dice, and they can choose which tiles they want to flip down. So to win, if a player manages to flip down all of their tiles, they have shut the box and they win the game immediately. If no one shuts the box, play continues until all 6 players have had a turn. The player with the lowest score at the end of the round is going to be the winner. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.